Nĩ rũcinĩ nyumba-ini ya kuiga miiri ya City guku Nairobi. Andu a nyumba na arata a amwe aria makuire kuumana na ngahiha cia micemanio ya ngwataniro ya NASA mokite kugira miiri ya endwa ao. Ona wakorwo mari na kieha gia kuurirwo ni endwa ao, aingi ao moritie thirikari ikinyanirie uthuthuria na ihenya na kihoto gikike.
Hatuwezi jua tunaweza fuata namna gani tujue haki imetendeka kwa jamii zetu. Kile kitu tutangoja tu Mwenyezi Mungu atende kile atatenda. Mwenyezi Mungu ndio tunangoja afanye kazi yake. Sababu we cannot blame the government, we cannot blame any other politicians. They are the one who did this.
Right now, I don't know what's the way forward because I'm really affected. I'm really affected. I can't study. It's really bad for me that I lost a mother that meant the world to me.
Amwe ateti ngwataniro-ini ya NASA ni megwikinyitie mocari-ini ino makiranira kurugama na andu a nyumba ici.
We've raised approximately 5-6 million. But we obviously need a lot more than that because it's not just about the burials, the medical costs. It will also be about uplifting the families. Like here in this case of Mr. Muridi, who lost his son, he was a very young man with a wife with 2 children. So the family will need to be uplifted. There are some that have children in high school. Now the breadwinners have been lost.
Amwe ao makiendekithia kugia na miario niguo kunina githagathago kiria gikoretwo kuo bururi-ini.
I'm talking of dialogue. We need that so that we can be able to sort out these issues. Nobody should go to this dialogue with a firm condition that he can never move from the ground he has been standing on. It is time we give way to reason.
Miiri ya andu 6 niyo irutirwo mocari-ini ino umuthi guku makierekerio miena itiganite guthie guthikwo micii-ini kwao. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.